Good morning, loves. Welcome to this week's vlog. Today is Tuesday. We're starting this vlog on a Tuesday because I didn't vlog the whole of yesterday. I used yesterday to rest. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and watch my previous vlogs too. Guys, I recently saw a very fine frying pan. I want to get it, but I have things to buy first. I have important things to buy first before I can start buying a frying pan. I hate when this egg is stressing me. God. It's all this non-stick pan stuff. I wanted to buy this set, but damn, it's very expensive. So if I get the important things, then I'll get the non-stick pan. So I want to be cooking cutesy. I really want to get a lot of things. I want to get my mirror. I want to get flour. I want to get plain trousers. I've been wanting plain trousers for the long years, and I just found a vendor, and I want to get them before Christmas because by Christmas things will become very expensive. I haven't been in Abuja in so long, bro. Like I need. Good morning, loves. Today is Wednesday, and it's currently 8:08, and I kind of woke up early today, and I'm so excited about that. I had a good news yesterday, and it made my whole night plus my whole day. So I woke up so energized today, and I was reading Atomic Habits yesterday in the afternoon, and it felt so good. I don't know, I've read it before, but like reading it again, I don't know, there's something about it. So I'm going to be going to the market today. I have some things to pick up and some things to buy, so you guys will come in with me, and I hope I can actually vlog. Fingers crossed I can vlog in the market. I really want to vlog in the market because the market is usually very crowded, very crowded. But I'm not like entering inside the market, just like outside to get something. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for today. So stay tuned. Outfit of the day, I'm going to be wearing a face cap because of the weather, the sun actually. T-shirt, a denim trouser, and my Nike slide. Then this cross bag. I don't know, I want to carry my power bank, but my power bank can't enter this bag. But I think I'll just hold it in my hand because I don't have strength to carry any other bag. And so he introduced me to this plantain chip, but I love it. There's plantain chips with chili pepper. It's so good, guys. Like, you need to try it. So nice. I want to have cornflakes for breakfast before I go out because I feel like I'm going to waste time, and I might end up coming back late. And this is currently 12 p.m. So I think I should take cornflakes. got back from the market, and guys, things are very expensive. Dang. But we must still survive. So I'm going to do a little haul of some of the things I bought. I can't show you everything I bought because some things are not supposed to be seen. So the first thing I got was, I told you guys I want to make my hair. So finally making my hair. I wanted to buy Lush, but I couldn't see Lush. So I think that one is making me. I'm going to do like the boho braids. So this is the attachments, and this is the cord that will go with it. Hope it goes. So yeah, that's the first thing I bought. The second thing I bought is this clips. The last one I had, my best friend took it, so I bought another one for myself because I'm going to make braids. And I bought a comb because the last one I had, I gave it to my mom when she came here. Then a tongue scraper, and I'm tempted to show you guys a mini thing, but no, you will see it in the next vlog. So this is what I've been using since, and it's almost done. So I decided to try the new Nivea Pearl Beauty. I'm not really a fan of Nivea, like this particular type, but Nivea just brought this one out newly, and I said let me try it on, and I love the scent. It scents so nice. So I'm going to be trying this from now on, and if it's good I'll be buying it. I've been wanting body oil, but the body oil I normally use, I've not like had time to like get it because where I'm buying it from is far. Where I was buying that Nivea, I saw this baby oil and I decided to get it, and I tried it. It's a little bit thick. I'm not really a fan of thick oils, but that's okay. I can be using it till I get my normal oil. I got cornflakes and some other things. Do you know that I've been buying cornflakes for a very long time, and I never used to check like the gram, like, oh, this is, till I came back and I found out that, oh, one is actually bigger than one. I didn't even know. So yeah, I love cornflakes, if you don't know. I don't want it to expire. So guys, we're about to cook spaghetti, but I bought plantain from the market, and I don't know, should I fry plantain with this? I think I'm going to use egg, and we have Coke for refreshment while cooking. Well, let me make it make noise. I need to make it to make noise. Tight it. Yes. This is what wicked men will show you, not my own man, but like wicked men. I don't like eating spag more than 2 times. Like if you pass 2 times, if a spag I cooked past 2 times, I'll feel like vomiting. But I can eat it like 3 times, depending, like 3, like maximum 3. But when it's getting to the 4th one, even that 3rd time, sometimes it used to be. So I'm going to be cooking quarter or half. Should I cook half? Quarter. I'll not break it because if I break it, it will be bigger. So this portion, I'll be cooking this portion because it's only me that is eating, obviously. So I'm matching red plates, red spaghetti, and red pepper. Cause you know, baby, I adore. I didn't have energy to fry the plantain anymore, so we're just going to eat spag. Tomorrow, fried plantain. Guys, today is Thursday. I'm about to take my hair down because I'm going to be braiding my hair tomorrow, which is Friday. So I think that's the only thing I'm going to do today. Just lose my hair, watch movies, and eat and sleep. Start taking care of my hair very well. Good morning, love. Today is Friday and I'm going to make my hair and we're going to end the vlog here. See you in the next vlog with my hair review, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.